Hi everybody and welcome to Pankaj's Echelon Tutorials, and this is a session for IGCSE students of International Mathematics. Okay, now this is exercise, that is exercise 8.32, but this is from the David Renner 5th edition, and it's a international curriculum, international mathematics ka curriculum ka book. So we are going to sort out, we are going to solve the questions from this particular book also. Okay, so this is exclusively for the international school students, right? Okay, so okay. So let us get started with this exercise 8.32. Okay. The first question is rewrite the statement connecting each of the pair of variable using a constant k instead of proportionality sign. Okay. Now these are the questions which we have already solved from the David Renner book, the 4th edition. But this is just most of the questions are repeated ones, but you will find some questions which are different as well. Okay. So just for the sake of good practice, I'm giving you I'm making this video as well, which is based on international mathematics. Okay, so let us get started with the very first question. So question number one is rewrite the statement, and sub question a is s is directly proportional to e. Okay, so you have to put a constant here, so it is s equal to ke. Simple as that. B is v is directly proportional to t. So you have to put a constant. So v equal to kt, right? Simple as that. C is x is directly proportional to z square. Okay. So x equal to k times z square. Okay. D is y is directly proportional to square root of x. So y will be equal to k times square root of x, right? And then let us come to E. Okay. E is T is directly proportional to square root of L. So T will be equal to, when you remove the proportionality sign, okay, you have to replace it by equal to sign and place that constant K. Okay. So K times capital L ka square root. Then F is C directly proportional to R. Okay. So this will be C equal to KR. Then G. G is A is directly proportional to R square. So this can be written as A equal to KR square. And H will be V is directly proportional to R square. Okay. Is it R square or R cube? Whatever. R square. So V is equal to K into R square. Right. Fine. So that was question number one. Now let us come to question number two. Uh, so question number two is y varies as t. So y varies as t means y is directly proportional to t, or y varies directly as t. Okay. Now if y is equal to 6, now this condition is given, y is equal to 6 when t is equal to 4. Okay. You have to calculate a and b. Okay. So first, for the solution, first what I'll do is y is directly proportional to t. This I'll write as y is equal to kt. Okay. Now next step will be, I'll put the values of this y and t which is given to me over here. So it will be 6 equal to k times t is 4, right? So 4. So 6 upon 4 will be equal to k. So k will be equal to 3 upon 2. Okay. So I'm getting k equal to 3 upon 2. This k equal to 3 upon 2 I'll put back in this formula. So I'll get y is equal to, instead of k I'll put 3 upon 2 times t. Okay. Now this gives me a relationship between the y and the t. Okay. When the constant value has been put. Okay. 3 by 2. Now using this relationship we can find out any value of y when the corresponding value of t is given, or any value of t when the corresponding value of y is given. Okay. So using that funda, a ka answer will be, what is a? Find the value of y. So y you have to find out when t is equal to 6. Okay, so what I'll do in this formula, what I'll do is y equal to question mark. So y I have to find out 3 upon 2 times t is 6. So this will go 3 3s are 9. So I get y equal to 9. So this is the answer. Okay. So here the answer is y equal to 9. Okay. Now B wala, you have to find out t when y is equal to 4. So again in this formula, I'll take y is equal to 4 equal to 3 upon 2 times t. Now this 4 this 2 if I take here, so this will give me 4 2s are 8 upon 3 equal to t. So I'm getting t is equal to 8 upon 3. So I'm getting t is equal to 8 upon 3. Okay. So that was question number 2. Now question number 3. You have to make space for that. Yeah. Okay. Now question number 3 says that this one. Okay. Z is proportional to M. Okay. So Z is proportional to M. Right. If Z is 20, now he's saying that Z is equal to 20 when M is equal to 4. Okay. And you have to calculate this A and B, right? So first what I'll do, Z proportional to M can be written as Z is equal to Km, right? Then I'm going to use this set of value of Z and M. So I'll get 20 is equal to K times 4. So K will be 20 upon 4, okay, which is equal to 5. This K equal to 5 I'm going to use in this formula to give me Z equal to 5 times M, okay. Now this is a relationship between Z and M where the constant ka value has been put as 5. Okay. We found out K to be 5. Okay. Now this is going to give us the answer for A and B. So what is sub question A? Now the value of Z you have to find out when M is equal to 7. Okay. So what I'll do is Z will be equal to 5 times M I'll take as 7. So 7 5s are 35. So Z is equal to 35. This is the answer. So here the answer is Z is equal to 35. Okay. Now B part of this question is you have to find out M when Z is 55. So in this formula I'll take in this formula only I'll take Z as 55 equal to 5 times M. So 55 upon 5 will be equal to M, and which is nothing but 11. So M is equal to 11. So here the answer is M is equal to 11. Okay, I think the same questions, okay, we did in that David and the fourth edition book. Okay, but anyways, this is a fifth edition book. Most of the questions are repeated, but of course we will find new ones also. Okay, so these were the first three questions from exercise 3.8.32, and in the next video I'll be covering more questions from this exercise. Till then, goodbye and take care all of you. If you like my video, please subscribe it and press the bell button or maybe like it. Okay, bye, take care all of you.